Story time. At Modern Law, we represent a surgeon. He and his wife, who's a nurse, are going through a divorce. They have 3 kids, and the husband, our client, was concerned that mom was abusing prescription drugs. So he asked the court to order a drug test. Mom said, I don't want to take a drug test. Why should I have to take a drug test? I think he should take a drug test. And our client said, sure, no problem. I'm happy to take a drug test. Let's do it. So both of them drug tested. Mom's hair follicle test came back positive for amphetamines. Dad, our client, came back positive for cocaine. Now, our client was flabbergasted. He's like, I've never used cocaine. Straight up and down, this has to be a false positive. It cannot be right. So we said, go take another test. Maybe the lab screwed up. It happens, right? He took another test, positive for cocaine on a hair follicle test. So the attorney representing him believed him. She found him believable that he wasn't using cocaine, and she went down a rabbit hole. He wasn't testing positive for cocaine metabolites, just on the hair. He did urine tests and tested negative. He did fingernail tests and tested negative. She had a temporary orders hearing yesterday and brought articles explaining that his tests could be positive from cross-contamination of drugs used in the operating room. He shares the operating rooms with other surgeons. The drugs that they use in operating rooms sometimes involve cocaine, and that it could be cross-contamination, and that could be causing the positive drug tests for cocaine. The judge agreed and ordered that our client have parenting time. Now, mom's positive for amphetamines is prescription Adderall, so she's fine. And so far, mom and dad, surgeon and nurse, both get parenting time and legal decision making while we learn more and more about false positives. So tell me, have you ever heard this? Have you ever heard of someone testing positive for cocaine when they never used?